In the early 2000s, Maserati introduced a new side emblem badge featuring a trident inside an oval with a thunderbolt striking through it. This iconic logo was used until 2019, and while it's still cool today, it does date your car as being at least 5 years old, and the thunderbolt tends to break off. In 2020, Maserati simplified the logo to just the trident and made it about 20% larger. In this video, I'll walk you through how to update the side emblem on your Maserati to the new simplified trident. Alright, you're going to want to start by getting some painter's tape and put it underneath the existing emblem so that it's parallel with that thunderbolt line. Make a mark at the center point. This will be important for locating the new emblem. Now, I didn't show the process of actually removing the emblem, but you'll want to get a heat gun or a hair dryer and warm this area up to soften up the adhesive. You can use dental floss or a plastic pry tool to gently remove the emblem. Removing the emblem is actually pretty easy. It's the adhesive that takes a lot of time to get off. And I'm using a plastic razor blade here in Goo-Gone. You can get plastic razor blades at an auto parts store. And you're going to want to repeat a process of heating up the area, applying the Goo-Gone, and then scraping with the razor blade. It took me about, I'd say, 7 to 9 times of repeating this process to get all the adhesive off. It's not something you want to rush because you don't want to damage the paint. Once you get all the adhesive off, make sure you use some rubbing alcohol to get the area as clean as possible and before applying the new emblem. And this is where that painter's tape really comes in handy because it gives you a reference point of where the emblem needs to go and how it should be level. And my favorite part, removing the plastic film. Turned out great. These emblems are available at MaseratiMods.com. We stock both the new versions as well as the old version.